Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's David here on another amazing video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process to create a GEEGPAY account. So with a GEEGPAY account you can basically have a USD bank account, a Great Britain pound bank account, and a Euro bank account, directly on GEEGPAY, and you can use this to get payments from anywhere in the world. So if you're a freelancer, or you sell digital products, or you're an entrepreneur providing services to clients all over the world, you can use GEEGPAY to receive your payments, and you can go ahead and withdraw these payments directly into your local bank account. And the amazing thing here is that they have a very good conversion rate. So if you are withdrawing $100 and the conversion parallel rate is 750, that means you're getting 75,000 naira. So and they are very fast. If you make a withdrawal to GEEGPAY, let's say for instance from Payoneer, you're going to get it that same day, and you can withdraw your money directly into your local bank that same day. And they also give virtual cards. So if you run Facebook ads, you run Google ads, you can use this to pay for your ads on these platforms. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to create an account. So here they're going to ask you if you're a freelancer or you're a business owner. So if you're a freelancer, you click on I'm a freelancer, and if I want to create a company account, so I won't advise you to create this because you are going to need a lot of they're going to ask for a lot of documentation about your business registration and all that, and you might not have these documentations ready. So the best for you is to register as a freelancer. So you can click on I'm a freelancer, but if you're a business owner and you have all those documentations available, then you can go ahead and select freelancer. So these are the benefits of opening as a company. So you can onboard your team members, USD virtual cards, foreign bank accounts in USD, convert to your local currencies, almost the same benefits. So since I'm a freelancer, I'm going to select freelancer. Then here you can select the country, Kenya or Nigeria. I think these are the only two countries they support at the moment. But as they grow, they keep expanding the countries that they support. So you click on continue. So here they're asking you for your email address. So you can go ahead and put your email address here. Then if you have a referral code, you can paste it here, and you can use this one if you don't have one. So after that, you click on continue. So they're going to send a verification code to your email address. So all you just need to do is enter that here. So I'm going to check my email and see if they sent it, and I'll enter it there. So here's the code that they sent. So you can check your spam, because my own I found it in the spam box. So you can check your spam box. So here is the code. You can enter it. Then you are asking you to create a password. So you can create a strong password. So after that, you click on continue, and they are welcoming you to GEEGPAY. So you can save that. So our virtual USD Mastercard is now available. So they have a virtual card available for you to use. So you just click on proceed. So here you see you're almost done. Please complete each section below to manage your account profile. This will help us offer you an improved and tailored service. So here they're asking for your personal detail. So you just click on it. So here you can enter your name. put your date of birth here. Your nationality, Nigerian. Then your phone number, you can put your phone number here. So your time zone. So Nigerian's time zone is +1. So your address. So country, Nigeria, state Lagos. So automatically, once it detects your address, it can to fill this for you automatically. So proof of address, bank statement. So you can go ahead and get your bank statement from your bank. So click on upload here. So upload your file. Okay. So once that is uploaded, just click save. Okay, it's sending me to verify my phone number. Okay. So they're going to send a code to your number. They're going to use that to verify. So let's wait till we get the code and we'll continue the video. Okay guys, so the code just came in, the code. So I'm going to enter that now. Okay, so that's the code, and you can go ahead and save. So the personal information is completed, then bank account details. So you're going to enter a bank account for withdrawal. So this bank account is what you're going to use to withdraw your funds once you get them into your GEEGPAY account. So you're going to select a bank. So account number, then the account name. You're going to automatically get it for you. So then you're going to enter your BVN here. Okay, then you're going to save. So if there's any error, you're going to see that you're going to tell your name does not correspond, or your BVN is not correct. So this is everything is done. Okay, so that is also completed. Okay, so the next step is your verification. So asking you to verify your identity, so you click on that. So you're going to verify two methods for verification: your government ID and your selfie. So if you click on this, so you can pick international passport, national ID card, or others. Okay, so if you have your voter's card, then you can click others. If you don't have a national ID card, so they're going to tell you to take a picture of the card. Okay, so there are two methods to verify with your other cards. Either you use your camera to scan this QR code, then you take a picture of the ID card, or you put your phone number here, and they're going to send you a link which you're going to click to snap the ID card. But if you have your national ID card, you can just click that. That is way more easier. So they're just going to say to upload it, so you can upload the national ID card, which is your name. Okay, so here they're telling you GEEGPAY wants to access your national ID card slip information. This will allow GEEGPAY to process your personal data, process your contact information, process your document information. Okay, so once you're ready to do that, just click allow. Okay, so if you click allow, so here they're going to want to use your phone camera to snap the ID card. That's your national ID card. So they say we need access to your camera so that we can take selfie and proof of live images. Okay, so I advise you do this with your mobile phone. So you just log into your GEEGPAY account. The account is already created now, so you can just log in with it on your mobile phone. Then, because right now I'm on a desktop, so I cannot take a picture with my webcam. It's not going to be clear, so it's not going to work. So but you can log in on your mobile phone, then use your mobile phone camera to snap your national ID card as your name. So then you upload it. Okay, you can upload that, or you can use your international passport. So with this, you're going to snap the your data page. So that's what you're going to snap, your data page. And it's the same process with the other ID cards, which is national ID card with your voter's card or your driver's license and all that. So you can use this method with your international passport also. And once you upload that, your ID, so long the information on your ID card is corresponding with the information you have provided here, then you won't have any issues. Your account is going to be created successfully, and then after that, that's when you can go ahead to start creating your bank account, which is the US bank account. So I'm going to show you I have a personal account. Okay, so I'm doing this for my wife. Okay, so she's going to end up doing the ID verification on her own with our national ID card. But I'm going to show you right now on my own GEEGPAY how to create your dollar account and your pound or euro account. Okay, guys, so here is my own personal GEEGPAY account. Okay, so you can see all these are active because I've already verified my own account. The same process I showed you just now is the same process I used to verify this account. Okay, so you can see if you go to your wallet, they're going to show you all your currencies. Okay, you can switch to euro, British pounds, US dollar. So these are your wallets. Okay, so I've received $159 and I withdrew that into my wife's account. Okay, so they converted it to Naira for me, and the conversion rate was 725 as of then. So here you can request for cards, but at the moment they're having issues with the card creation. Okay, so you can just wait a couple of days or weeks and this will be back. So you can create a virtual card and you can use that to make payments online for your Facebook ad, Twitter ads, Google ads and all that. Okay, so and again you can create invoices. Okay, so if you have your client or that you need to send an invoice to receive payments from, then you can just come here and new invoice. So once you click on new invoice, then they're going to ask you what the invoice is for. Okay, so let's say it's for book cover. Okay, so then you just add new customer, then create customer. Okay, so once you create this customer, they're going to show you how all the details. Okay, so if this, you put your customer name, then customer's email address. Okay, so once you create the invoice and you send it, it's going to send it directly to the customer's email address, and the customer can go ahead and make payments to you and to come directly into your GEEGPAY account. Okay, So you can see the process, invoice details, preview invoice, and send invoice. Okay, so once you create the invoice, then you can send it. So the customer's email address that you put is what they are going to send the invoice to, and the customer can go ahead and make payment, and you're going to receive it in any of the wallet that you have. Okay, so if the customer sent Great British Pound, then you're going to receive it here. If it's Euro, you're going to receive it here, and if it's USD, you're going to receive it here. Okay, so to create your USD account, I already have a USD account, so let me use the other accounts that I don't have, because I only have the Euro account and the USD account at the moment. Okay, so for instance, the Great British, all you just need to do is request account details. Okay, so set up a bank account. So all you just need to do is create. So at the moment, I contacted their customer service and they said the bank they work with to create British pounds and Euro accounts, they are having issues with them, so they are looking for a new organization that they can work with so that their customers can create British pound account and a Euro account. So at the moment, you cannot create a Euro and a British pound account. The only account you can create is a US dollar account, but it's the same process. All you need to just do is click on the account, okay, that you want. Just click on it. Okay, so you can see more. Okay, let's go back. So if you click on it, okay, so you're going to, for instance, this is the US account. If you have not created any account with it, this is how it's going to look. So all you just need to do is request documents, okay, account document, and you click create account, and it automatically creates your US dollar account. Okay, and that's how you create your US dollar account. It's very fast, simple. Then you can go ahead and take this US account. So if you publish books on Amazon, then you can use this account to receive money directly from Amazon. So, and if you work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, so you can create a Pioneer account. Okay, so I have a video link in this video somewhere at the top where I show you how to create a Pioneer account and how to link bank accounts to it. Okay, so you can take this bank account and link it to your Pioneer account. Then you can take your Pioneer account and link it to your Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Design account. So once you withdraw into your Pioneer account, then you can go ahead and withdraw it directly into this into your GEEGPAY account, because Pioneer, if you're going to withdraw from Pioneer to your local bank account, that's your Naira account or your Kenyan bank account, or whichever country you are, then they are going to use the bank rate, not the parallel market. Okay, but GEEGPAY uses the parallel market. Okay, so Pioneer is going to use the bank rate. So let's say, for instance, you are withdrawing $100 from Pioneer. Pioneer is going to only give you 45,000 naira. Okay, and if you withdraw through GEEGPAY, GEEGPAY is going to give you 72 to 73,000 naira. So you can see the difference. Okay, so it's better to use the GEEGPAY dollar account to withdraw your money directly into your Naira account, because the profit margin is much. Okay, all right guys, so that's it on how to create a GEEGPAY account and how to create your bank account, your US bank account. And once the British pound bank account is available for creation, then you can go ahead and take the same process to create your British pound and your Euro bank account. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell, so that whenever I post a great video like this, you will be the first YouTube notifies. Okay, so you don't miss any of my videos. On to the next video guys. Keep winning.